being harvested.
I found myself in a situation where I can't really move.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Hi!
What you been doing, Jack? Hey, Jorge, how's it going?
At some point, you've got to learn to fly by yourself. Yes? Yes.
Mais je pense qu'il y a peut-être une barre de protéines. No! Hi!
Guys, I'm out in the jungle. Look at this cool frog I found.
Hello, buddy. Look at this thing. It's so beautiful.